guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. The temperature has dropped quite a bit today. Filming on my GoPro today because it does better in the cool weather. Let's check out the temperature. It says it's 28 degrees. I say it's about right. I say it's pretty close because everything's freezing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go out. The hose is froze to the nozzle. Kind of caught up on us a little quicker than we thought, so we didn't get the hose off the water hydrant out here. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this sucker off. Oh boy. Yeah.
I just told you she has a bellyache. On the inside, I said that to you.
What?
I told you that she had a bellyache.
Okay. How do you know she's got bellyache?
She won't drink water.
She won't drink any water. Is she sweating?
No.
What? All over?
She's got the mud.
Oh. What's the matter, Peanut? You got bellyache? Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna have to turn the fence off because I only have one outlet free right now, and that's the one that is running the fence. So get this thing cleaned up. I have to rinse it out. Do some rinsing out here.
Here, do you want a bucket so you can scrub it out outside, or?
Yeah, let me get it wet here. Hey, Oscar. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, you're gonna be quiet today, huh? Oh boy, Mud Central. Take this one. Get out here. Okay. Got through there. You know what? I'm not gonna go through that mud. Just gonna go through the fence. That's a lot easier than walking through the mud. All right, well, I'm gonna bucket the water in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll get back with you guys. Roll over, roll over, roll over. You're just a puppy. Oh, yeah, puppy. Okay, let's go let the chickens out, your favorite. So, not a lot of people show the bad parts about farming in the wintertime, how hard it is to keep, you know, the animals fully watered, stuff like that. Especially when you don't have a million heated buckets, and it takes a lot of power to run all those. So you just have to keep monitoring them. Sometimes they just don't want to drink, and then they get a bellyache. Go chickens, fly away. And with horses, you know, they have to drink water, otherwise they end up colicking. So, and that's a pretty bad thing because they can pass from that. So hopefully, you know, it's just a little bellyache, it's not a big deal, and just drink some water. But we'll have to monitor her throughout the night. Just one of those things you got to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and warm up, but we definitely got a situation that we got to take care of with the horse. It's just one of those times. Now, the weather's just going to be cold tomorrow, but then it's going to go back up to like almost 70 on Saturday and lots of rain. When the temperature changes up and down like that drastically, horses tend to quit drinking when it gets really cold. So, and it's cold right now. I mean, it's not super cold, it's 28 degrees, but it's cold. It's cold for them. That is a big swing in the temperature, and like I said, it kind of shuts down their drinking process. So we got eggs everywhere. Chick coop definitely needs cleaned. That's all of them. As far as the chicken coop expansion, definitely going to get that done here soon. But I'll keep you guys updated on the horse. As soon as we see her drink water, that'll be better. But until then, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, it's the next day. We are heading over to the local farm to grab some oats. Then we're gonna run to the hardware store and grab that insulation for the shelf build, which is gonna be on another video. And I got the goon squad here. One, and the other one's in the back. You can't see them. But we're gonna go ahead and head over there and grab them oats, and then we have to unload all the feed that we got in the back of the truck now. So let's head on over. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're back here at the farm. Unloaded the feed. That was a pretty good haul. I think the price on all that feed, that's duck food, chicken food, horse feed, and extra oats, right around 300 bucks for all that food. So that should last us hopefully about a week and a half, 2 weeks, somewhere in there for the horses. So, update on the small horse. She was sick the other day. She's fine now. She did everything that she needed to do as far as go to the bathroom, she's drinking water, all that good stuff. Like I said, when the weather changes quickly like that, as far as temperature, horses tend to stop drinking, and then they end up getting a stomach ache sometimes. But she's fine. But right now we're gonna run out to the barn. I got 2 more of those real bright lights, LED lights that got like 3 fins on them, and we're gonna go ahead and install them and see how much better it makes it out there. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, these are the lights. These 2 that I bought are different from that one, just different brand, but same. Actually, these are 1,000 more lumens than that one up there. That one's 5,000. So these are just I don't even know what kind of brand these are. Oh, the GT lights. But should help. I'm gonna put right there where that one is burned out. Then I'm gonna put one down at the end, so it helps. So let's go ahead and get that, get the ladder out, and we'll go ahead and get these things put in and see how much better it makes it. All right, I think that's a whole heck of a lot brighter. Like I said, those are actually a little bit smaller than that one right there. They still are super bright. Now I plan on putting a light over that stall and a light over that stall. And then, you know, these other two stalls here. That way everything's lit up. I got one other thing I got to do out here is I got to put this freeway, where's it at right there, out here by the water heater and fence so we can plug both of them in at the same time. So let's go out there and get that all fixed up. All right. All right, fence is on. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for today. This video is probably pretty long, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up right here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me with YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. I'll catch you guys later.